Okay, welcome everybody to 7 Days of Rest 2025. I'm Wynter Worsthorne, and with me is
Hi.
P. Horsley. Sorry.
We knew this was going to happen. Go on.
Well, I'm Wynter Worsthorne. P. Horsley is with me, and we are going to bring you some messages from the animals for the 7 days of rest. And P, would you like to say a few words?
Yes, so hi everybody. My name is P. Horsley, and what is it I wish to share with you? So I am an animal communicator. I've been communicating for 18 years, and my passion is bringing animal communication to people and helping you realize your own potential to be an animal communicator that is already in you. So I do that through books, online courses, workshops, teaching. I also hold wild animal retreats around the world and lots of different things like events like this. And I also have a membership called the Pride, where we meet every month to communicate with a different species and connect community across the world and make a difference through our donation to a different species conservation organization every single month. And I'm sure there's more, but that is plenty for now. That's me. Thank you.
Thanks, P. And just if people don't know who I am, I founded Animal Talk Africa. And as an animal communicator, also working for over 20 years now, I work mainly with wildlife, in wildlife conservation, also teach online courses and support various wildlife organizations. And like P, want to share this ability that is not a special gift. It's something that we are all able to achieve, and we are always communicating with all beings, but a lot of us don't realize that we're doing with this. And I think today what we're going to do is share, and we'd like you to join us in connecting with the animal beings who come into this field, this heart field that we're going to create together, and listen with your hearts, and we will verbalize what comes to us in this space. But before we do all that, P is going to lead us into a grounding and connecting meditation. Thank you, everyone, for being with us and joining us today.
Thank you. Okay, everyone. So I invite you to have your feet on the floor, rest your hands in your lap in any way that feels comfortable, and then close your eyes. And start by bringing your focus to your breathing. Breathing in deeply and exhaling deeply. Again, breathing into your body and then exhaling and letting go. Breathing in again. Exhaling. And continue breathing in your own rhythm. And bring your focus down to your feet on the ground. Being aware of that connection with earth energy beneath your feet. And imagine now reaching down deeper and deeper into the earth, the core of the earth, where this bright, golden, shimmering light, which feels so warming and welcoming, is there for you to connect. Connect with that essence of earth, And you start to see strands of this golden light coming from the core of Earth up through the different layers until reaching the soles of your feet, where you can feel them coming into the soles of your feet, and then starting to work up your legs and up into every cell of your body. It's like you're starting to shimmer entirely in this grounding golden light. And it starts to emit out from your body in all directions. And you notice the shift in your energy, the change in your breathing, as you start to feel greater connection with Earth, this grounding feeling coming from the soles of your feet and up through all of your body. And then bringing your focus to your heart. And if you like, you might like to place your left hand onto your heart, just to help you bring more awareness there. And breathe down into your heart. And then breathe out from your heart. Breathing down into your heart and out of your heart. As these two dogs join us, bringing their symphony of sounds, as we start to really anchor in our heart and beam love out from our heart. Having the intention you're beaming out love now to the entire animal kingdom. Thinking of species who you love or individual animals who you respect, admire, revere, and have the intention that your love is reaching them. And our invitation is, if you would like to communicate with us, please come forward to Wynter or P during this gathering. And breathing in and breathing out. And release your hand, and when you're ready, open your eyes. So I hope you're feeling different now in your body and your energy, more relaxed. You've let go, you're more present, and you've anchored in the heart and put out this invitation to the animal kingdom to join us.
Thank you, P. And while we were in that space, somebody came to me, and I'd like to invite them to share. I am the fish eagle. As you hear my cry, across the valleys. Know that I see you. I see all of you. I see the strings of light connecting all of you, connecting all beings. This shimmering, pure light, like streams, like rivers flowing between all beings. It is a beautiful sight. And not only do I see it, but I am part of it. With every flap of my wings, every cry of my voice, I send the streams of light and streams of love through the earth. But what I also see is the debris. These little spots casting a shadow in those streams of light, clogging up the streams. And I ask you humans, to start clearing those streams of light. Sending your light out. Consciously send it out. Clean the debris. Clean those threads of light. So that the connection is pure and clear. And as you clean the clutter, the disharmony from yourself, from your heart, from your own energy field, you start cleaning and clearing the clutter and the disharmony that is in the earth. And as you start doing this, consciously cleaning and clearing, do this physically. Commit to cleaning and clearing the waters. Be aware of the debris that you are responsible for and start cleaning it up. Start with your heart. We are part of this love. We are part of you. You are part of us. There is no separation. Do your bit, please. We love you. We share this vision for all of us, for all beings. Hear our cry. Listen to our call. We love you. Thank you.
I have so many images of animals flashing in front of me as they all wish to speak. Who wishes to be first? Polar bear. As I stand tall in front of you, Mother Bear, my message is simple and clear. Feel into it. Each and every one present. Feel my message. You know. You know. As you enter this new year, this new beginning, you have new choices. Take care of your young. Take care of the future. You know where you trespass. You know. It is time to change right now. For my cubs, for yours. For where we live. Make this new year different. Come from your heart in all of your decisions. Be present with compassion. Feel with empathy. Take care of your boundaries and flood yourself with love. These steps will help you make it a different year. Thank you. Wynter, you're muted, darling.
Sorry.
That's okay.
So I have two animal people here coming to me. First was the baboons, coming very strongly, and then the lion. And they're almost coming together as one voice with different messages. And baboon is saying, humans, we are here for you, not just for you, but we are here for you if you want us to be. We take care. We take care of you in our space when you choose to live in our space. We show you the way to be. You need to listen. There are consequences if you don't listen to us. We are very clear on that. We will, in your eyes, wreak havoc in your home if you do not listen. But the havoc that we wreak is a message We come to clean. Like Fish Eagle says, we come to clean and clear and take away the fear. Take away the fear. The fear is too much. It is too much for anyone to live with. And we carry your fears. But we do not need to. We shake it off. And we want you to shake off those fears, transform them. But the only way you can transform them is with love. Listen wisely. Listen to us. Even those of you who do not know us, we are here for you too with our messages. Invite us in. We are known as the shamans of the animal kingdom. And we are to those who see us. Listen. And then the lions come roaring in. We are your protectors. Never forget that we protect. Above all, we protect. Know that you are protected with your lion heart. You can call on our energy. We are there. We are the protectors of this entire planet. And we work together with all beings as one. Find your lion heart. You are safe in that lion heart of true love. There is no danger. There is no need to fear. We are your protectors. We are the protectors. Remember that. Be in love. Hear the roar and feel the roar. And know that you are safe. Thank you.
A rat wishes to be here to speak with you. We wish to invite you to accept all species, small and large, wherever they are in the world, however you come across them. We are all trying to get along, to live, to exist. We can be your friends. There are many of us. Just think how many friends you may have. Hundreds, thousands of friends all over the planet. Friendships are important. And acceptance is important. We can come to you whenever you ask for us to help you accept others and to accept yourself if needed. And our friendship can be so strong and delightful and fun. And I can show you all the best places to find food. Together we can have so much fun. And this is why I came. I came to say friendships and acceptance. Please take those with you, with every step that you make. That's all. Thank you.
Oh, that's beautiful. And P, as Rat was speaking, I just saw dolphins splashing about in joy in the ocean, just this with that message of joy. And
It's nice
I'm
that
not,
they came.
yes. Yeah. I'm not feeling anyone else coming right now. I
I
think the line,
feel I feel hippo and crocodile are present. Their messages are more like, come on, buck up. um, but they're present. Maybe that's all they needed to share.
yeah.
And hummingbird is here.
Mm.
Yeah.
Well, I feel that they were just showing everyone who's listening what is possible when we connect in to that heart field and the importance of listening with our hearts to all the species and to make friends, to know that we're safe, to listen how we can clean our world and ourselves and our heart space. You know, that was a very strong feeling in the messages that I received. And do you want to share anything more, P?
And they have an overall awareness that is greater than ours as humans, I feel, which is why they're so good at giving advice and guidance and sharing their wisdom.
Mm,
And they're very, like you said it, very particular that we know that we are not alone, that they are always there to turn to if
mm,
at any point in our life, whatever we're feeling, whatever's going on.
very much so.
And yet they're not entirely here for us. They are also here for themselves. So let's remember that.
Absolutely.
And they might be on important cat business or whatever is going on that they might not want to communicate at that point. Uh,
Yeah. And
but
always, yes, always with invitation and asking permission and not putting our stuff on them. You know, they I know a lot of our domestic animal friends often offer to carry our stuff. You know, they're willing to, but it's also really important that we take care of our energy. Um, yeah, our clean, pure energy, our harmonious energy, so that we can sort of support each other and not just have one leaning on the other, because so many humans do lean on their animal friends um, in a way that is, it can be heavy,
mm,
and we need to recognize when we are being heavy, and the animals will tell us. So when we're in that space of the heart, we can be more conscious of our relationship and our friendships with the animal beings and the plant beings and really the natural world, and know that we are part of that, and everything that we feel, everything that we carry is part of that connection and affects everybody else, not just us as well. So I don't know if that makes sense, if I'm being a little bit too,
no, it makes sense. It's
yeah.
good. And I feel like um, over these 7 days of rest, this invitation that's been extended, and with the animals coming forward in their messaging, maybe there is a point in these 7 days when we can sit down and think about what they've communicated, what resonates with us, what comes up for us, our own inner reflections. We might want to journal a little bit. And then my invitation would be to create a vision of the world that you would like to be living in, and to really hold that vision and feel it and use as many senses as possible to kind of anchor that in. And hopefully that is a world where there is an acceptance and there are friendships and there are all of these things that the animals talked about: clean water, clear energy, everything else, and take that into the rest of 2025. I can't believe I'm even saying 2025. That feels just so like crazy.
It does. It's come around so quickly.
Yeah.
And, hold a vision for 2025. There's the heart energy, this energy of unconditional love is amazingly transformational. And so whatever is not feeling harmonious coming into this new year, as P says, during these 7 days, feel that transform into a lightness, into unconditional love and connection and joy. It's so important to be joyful in this work. So thank you. Thank you, P, for doing this
Thank
together.
you.
It's always wonderful to connect like this.
It's an
And
honor. And thank you, everyone, for listening, for being present, and for listening to the animals.
Thank you so much, everyone, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And just one last thing, if you would like to find Wynter, what is your website, Wynter?
It's animaltalkafrica.co.za, and you'll see all my offerings and everything over there. And yours, P?
So mine for my offerings is animalthoughts.com, animalthoughts.com. That's where you can find us. And I hope that you will come and say hello.
Wonderful. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Much love, everybody, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.